Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make a dishwasher duck breast. Time to start your dishwasher. You might know what happens now. This is a duck breast from my favorite online butchery gourmetfleisch.de, and it comes directly in this bag, and this is the easiest preparation ever. That's all you have to do. Take the whole duck breast inside the packaging and throw it into your dishwasher. Pretty easy. Most people don't know that they already have a tool for sous vide in their regular kitchen. In this case, this one has programs with different temperature. So this one is 65 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. And due to the miracle of YouTube video making, the hour is over now. Take out your duck breast and you will now see the result of a pre-cooked duck breast with the perfect internal temperature of 65 degrees Celsius. Still a little bit soft and not very good looking, but we take this one out and I will show you the next steps of a possible preparation. For my personal taste, I would also eat a duck with 65 degrees internal temp, but most of you don't like pink duck breast. That's what I got from social media and from the comments of last video so far. We will now cut it into thick slices, approximately fingers thick. Of course, these are my fingers, which are not too thick, but that's the preparation step number 1. And after that, we have to heat up a pan with some olive oil and just give it a slight color from both sides so it has a nice brown crust. Make sure not to overcook it here, otherwise it would not have made any sense of cooking sous vide. There are now a lot of varieties possible for creating duck recipes. For example, you could add peanut oil for peanut flavor and do a Chinese version with hoisin sauce, sesame seeds, soy sauce. There are a lot of things possible. I decided to make a sweet version. In my apprenticeship in the hotel I learned we made a lot of duck recipes with honey flavor, so I decided to add some sweetness, and after heating it up in the pan, we take it out and then we will add some maple syrup. Of course, you could have add some maple syrup in the pan, but I decided to glaze it afterwards and plating it up before. Of course, you could add some spices if you want. I decided to add just some regular salt and pepper. Keep it basic here. But of course, you could work with chili flavor or herbs. There are a lot of things possible now. Sesame seeds would work great here as well. For me, this kind of preparation is really fun because it's very quick. You can do some side dishes in the meantime. Your dishwasher is running anyway. And it's finger food, it's everything. It's cold, it's sweet, it's warm. It's very interesting. So, of course, I'm gonna give this a shot right now. I'm really excited what you think about that idea. What would your possible variety be? Just let me know in the comments. If you have ever tried cooking sous vide in your dishwasher, let me know as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that like button if you like that video. Make sure to visit my fan pages as always. We're seeing us again on Saturday with a really good dish. Thanks out. See you.